Good morning everyone. Before starting the new module, I would like to ask you what comes in your mind when you are thinking of alcohol? Sure, a bottle of wine. So why not we study how do we prepare alcohols, and with this alcohol we will also study the preparation of phenols and ethers. So let us start our next module, preparation of alcohols and phenols. The first method for the preparation of alcohol is from the alkene. As the double bond is present, so the addition of water in this double bond gives us the alcohol. So alkene reacts with the water in the presence of acid, which will act as a catalyst and gives the alcohol. Since it is a reversible reaction, so H ions are added, a few drops or little amount of concentrated sulfuric acid is added to absorb this water or to avoid the reversible reaction. We can take the unsymmetrical alkenes as well, but the addition of water takes place as per Markovnikov's rule. Propene gives us the propane 2-one. Hydration of ethene is as follows. It consists of the three steps. The first step of the mechanism is the protonation of alkene to form the carbocation. Here we need an electrophile. The water reacts with the H ion provided by the sulfuric acid and it gives the electrophile hydronium ion. This hydronium ion is added to it is seeking the electron loosely bounded pi electrons which are present carbon-carbon double bond, and it gives the carbocation and the water molecule. For the second step, this water molecule acts as a nucleophile since it has lone pair of electrons, and it will produce the second step. We will get this compound, and in the third compound the deprotonation of HN or the deprotonation takes place. So the water takes this one HN or the proton and we will get the alcohol and hydronium ion back. In this way the mechanism takes place in the three different steps. Another method for the preparation of alcohol is hydroboration. And this is another method. It can also be done with the help of alkenes. The hydroboration oxidation, in this the diborane reacts with the alkene to give the trialkyl borane as addition product. This is the propene and this is diborane, and one by one the propene molecule get added and we will get the trialkyl borane. This is oxidized in the presence of hydrogen peroxide in the presence of NaOH and gives the propane 1,4 and boron trihydroxide. Next method for the preparation of alcohol is from carbonyl compound. With the carbonyl compound, we will go with the reduction as reduction of CO group, and it takes place number one by the reduction of aldehyde and ketone. Reduction of aldehyde and ketone. Reduction may be catalytic, that is in the presence of transition metal, the hydrogen can be added transition metal like nickel, palladium and platinum. And this baby chemical we can use a very excellent reducing agent, lithium aluminium hydride or sodium borohydride. Since the lithium aluminium hydride is very expensive, so we would prefer the catalytic reduction. Here the aldehyde in the presence of palladium give the primary alcohol, and if we take the ketone in the presence of sodium borohydride, it will give us the secondary alcohol. Carbonyl group may also be present in carboxylic acids and esters, so they can also be reduced by using the lithium aluminium hydride. Carboxylic acid gives the primary alcohol. Since, as I already told you, that lithium aluminium hydride is an expensive reagent, so acids are converted into esters and then esters are reduced using hydrogen in the presence of catalyst, that is the nickel, platinum or palladium, whichever is available. So this is the carboxylic acid in the presence of the alcohol and little amount of concentrated sulfuric acid, it gives the ester, and this ester again catalyzed to give the alcohols. This is a very important method of preparation by using the Grignard's reagent, and in this you will find that it is the stepping up of the series. This reaction has so many uses, and you can use this reaction in your conversion when you will do the conversions question or the conversion of the compound to another. Here, before I will start with the mechanism of this reaction, I will tell you, if we will take the methanol or the acetaldehyde, we will get the primary alcohol. Another method of the preparation of alcohol is from Grignard's reagent, the carbonyl carbon. Here the nucleophilic alkyl group is present or provided by the Grignard's reagent, that is RMgX. See, the oxygen slightly negatively charged, leaving the carbon positively charged. So the nucleophile seeking and gives an adduct product, which upon hydrolysis gives the alcohol and magnesium hydroxy halide. Here, if we will take the formaldehyde or the methanol, then we will get the primary alcohol, 1 degree alcohol or the primary alcohol. If you take aldehyde other than the formaldehyde, then you will get the secondary alcohol, and if we are using the ketone, then we will get the tertiary alcohol. This is one of the very important method used to step up the series while doing the conversions. Now we will clear the method of preparation by taking some examples, some questions. See, in this question, give the structure and IUPAC name of the products expected from the following reaction. 1. Catalytic reduction of butanol. So you have to write the complete equation and then write the name of the product. So catalytic reduction of the butanol, butanol is CH3, CH2, CHO. This is the butanol, and you are going to reduce, and for the reduction it may be catalytic or the chemical. I am taking the hydrogenation in the presence of palladium or the nickel, you will get the butanol. Butanol, from the butanol. Now the second question, so the main product, what is asked, the structure is this. when in the board examination the structure is asked, so you have to write the structural formula of the compound. Catalytic, the second part of the question is hydration of propene in the presence of dilute sulfuric acid. Hydration of propene, so write down the formula of the propene. We are going to do the hydration, that means HOH. So this is in the this reaction taking place always in the presence of H ion. So here it will go by using the Marconi-Koff's rule. The negative part of addendum molecule will go to that carbon which has the less number of hydrogen atom. So the product formed is CH3, CHOH and CH3. Propane 2-ol. Propane 2-ol is the structure and the product. The answer is this. And the third part is reaction of propanone with magnesium bromide followed by the hydrolysis. For doing this reaction, we have to write the structure of propanone, that is CH3, C double bond O, CH3, and we are taking methyl magnesium bromide, CH3 MgBr. It will give an adduct as this part move to this place, and you will get the adduct, that is CH3, CH3, and this methyl goes to this place and OMgBr. Now it is followed by the hydrolysis and gives the tertiary alcohol. So here's the complete reaction. If in the board examination the equation is asked, so you can write the equation. Otherwise, the name and structure of the compound will be given. Now the another method, these are the methods of preparation of alcohol from the alkene hydration and the hydroboration, then from the carbonyl compound. In this we have done the reduction of the aldehyde, ketone and carboxylic, and then using the Grignard's reagent. So that